You can now connect Pathmonk with Google Analytics. On your integration screen, click on Connect with GA4. Select the Google Analytics account you want to connect and accept the permissions. Perfect! Your Google Analytics 4 is now connected to Pathmonk. To configure the property, first select the account and then choose the property that we want to connect. Now click on Save Configuration. Once it's connected, we should see this screen. Here we have the option to import GA4 data from before you had Pathmonk installed on your web. We can also import data for side-by-side comparison or synchronize conversion goals, which will send Pathmonk events to your GA4 dashboard. Let's go through each one. Importing historical data allows you to bring your past GA4 data into Pathmonk. This import can only be done once, and it includes data up until the moment Pathmonk was installed on your website. By importing this data, Pathmonk's AI can learn from your previous traffic and behavior patterns. You'll be able to access this information once the import is completed from your traffic report. In the next option, you can import your current GA4 data and compare it in real time with Pathmonk's results. Once enabled, the data will be imported and synced automatically. You can review and compare these results directly in your buying journey report. Now, let's go to the final section. Synchronize conversion goals. Remember, we need to configure your data stream. Follow these steps to complete the data stream configuration. We have to select the data stream for the account we want and then click on Configure Data Stream. And that's it. It will now automatically send your Pathmonk's results on your selected GA4 property. This will keep your events synchronized and your tracking consistent. If you need to change the account connected, click on the 3 buttons, and you will be able to update the property or directly disconnect from Google Analytics. Make the most of your visitor intel with Pathmonk.